pay no attention to my ions, but I've been introducing my students to chemical reactions, and chemical reactions sometimes changes happen in color, or they may um, you may see things fizzle or things heat up. Those are evidences of chemical changes, but it does beg the question: what happens if I take this and I dump this in the hot water? Will this be a chemical reaction? Some people will say yes, some people will say no, but the reality is that this is probably not a chemical reaction. This is probably an effect of the photoelectric effect, which means that by me heating up the paint, the atoms of the components of the paint, um, they get heated. So by them getting heated, we're probably exciting those electrons in the atoms of the paint, and when those electrons are within a certain range of temperature, they can change color, in this case to yellow. So we'll see the paint as yellow. So the electrons are emitting photons of light because of the electrons in the atoms of the paint being excited to a higher energy level and coming down to a lower energy level. However, it's also interesting to know that the color green isn't there because the electrons are just at a certain temperature. So certain temperatures just excites the electron. It's not a chemical change. I don't see the car becoming something else, and I don't see any new product. It's still paint. It's still, but it's quite fascinating. And I can turn back into green. In this case, you can see it turned green. And again, the green color is because of the temperature. They have improved the technology for the paint in these cars, in all honesty. I remember when I was younger, I think I had one of these cars that changed color, and the color will not stay for as long as it is now. Now they have improved a lot in the chemicals that they use for the paint to change color. Quite interesting, isn't it?